Okay, so right now I have $1,000 and I'm gonna be giving all this money to this AI right here because I'm curious, can AI really make you money in a market? 2022, a year where a particular app was so popular.
ChatGPT.
The most popular artificial intelligence software. Now, if it happens that you're living under a rock and you don't know what ChatGPT is, it's simply a software that acts like a human, interact like you and I would. So how are you doing?
Oh, I'm doing well, thanks for asking.
And even give you answers to tough questions. But I just want to know, can I go on a vacation while ChatGPT is on the market, printing out the money while I spend it? We made $340. I think we're in the negative. We are back up again. Now guys, I'm going to be treating myself like a complete beginner. I don't know anything about the market. So AI is going to give me the strategy that I'm going to use, the pairs I'm going to be trading, how long I'm going to be holding this trade, and finally we'll find out if this is truly profitable. So step one, let AI give us the strategy. Okay, so right now AI is going to be giving us our strategy. I don't know what to expect. Okay, so currently right now we're in ChatGPT. Now I do have an idea of what makes a good strategy, right? First thing that you should find within the strategy, it should show you the trend on the market, it should support and resistance of the market, show you key levels in the market and the right time to enter the trade. So I'm going to be looking out for all these things and let's see. So let's use the voice memo. Hello, how you doing?
Hey, I'm doing really well, thanks for asking. How about you? How's your day going so far?
Man, it seems like my network is a bit slow. So
yeah, I can hear a bit of lag on yours too.
Nah guys, I need to fix up my router. It's lagging. And ChatGPT is not saying it, right?
Yeah, exactly. Once you get the router sorted, it should be a lot smoother. Just take your time and we can pick up from there. I
think we should be good now. Okay, so guys, we can now go ahead and create our strategy. I've already connected in the Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi is fast right now. So yeah, let's do this. So my first question will be, I have $1,000. I want to trade to make money out of it. Is there any strategy you can recommend for me to give it a start?
That's a solid plan. I'd say the key is starting small and staying disciplined.
And right on from here, it just kept on over explaining. But obviously, I need an answer to my question. Actually, I'm trading Forex, so I want to trade Forex with $1,000. I have a prop firm, Funded Trader Market. Yes, the best prop firm you can use right now. But yeah, we'll talk about them later on. Can you give me a strategy? I need a strategy that I can use to trade. I need a strategy that I can use to win in the market.
Got it. So a simple yet effective strategy is using a combination of moving averages and support resistance levels. For example, you could track the 50 period and 200 period moving averages. When the 50 crosses above the 200, it's a potential buy signal, a golden cross, and when it crosses below, it's a potential sell signal, a death cross. Then combine that with key support and resistance zones so you enter trades near a support bounce or a resistance rejection. And of course, set tight stop losses to protect your capital. Keep it simple, stick to your rules, and tweak it if needed.
Right now, the only thing left is just to trade. But really, I was missing one thing. I haven't picked the pair that I'm going to be trading. Okay, can you give me a list of Forex currency pair that I should trade?
Absolutely. So a lot of traders focus on major pairs because they tend to be more liquid and have better spreads. Some of the top ones are Euro USD, USD JPY, GBP USD, USD CHF, and AUD USD. If you're feeling interest, you can also look at some cross-currency pairs like Euro GBP or NZD JPY.
Okay, thank you. I'm going to be using that. Now, I've been able to get everything from artificial intelligence, but really, what are the chances of this working? Okay, so guys, today is currently the day one of trading with AI. I don't know what to expect. Let's see what happens. And at this point, I was really just checking for a position I can place a trade in.
A few moments later.
Okay, so guys, I've currently seen a position right now on ADSD.
Now, by the way, I know most of you guys didn't understand the strategy from the AI, but don't worry, I'm gonna be explaining it in the simplest way. Now, the first thing we need to add to the charts is the simple moving average.
At least you need to click this twice,
which the first SMA is 200
and the second one is 50.
If you've done everything correctly, your chart should look like this.
Now, while this is almost done, ChatGPT said we should also use a combination of support and resistance to add to the moving averages. So you still need a foundation on support and resistance to be able to trade this.
But back to our position on ADSD.
Okay, so guys, right now I've seen a position on, for the start, I've already seen a position on ADSD, particularly ADSD buy.
Now, if you look right here, this is the 200 SMA and the 50 SMA below. And if you take a closer look, you'll see the golden cross that signifies a buy. Now, we need to use this with support and resistance, which at this point, the market rejected off of this support right here. And as for the take profit,
it's kind of like a support resistant key level thing going on here, so I don't mind taking it to this area. Yeah, this is gonna be our first trade. We're using this AI thing. I don't know what it brings, but let's see.
So yeah, let's go ahead and place in our first trade on ADSD. But wait, is that not $10,000?
Yes, it's $10,000. And guess who gave me extra funding?
Funded trader market.
Now, I would have been trading with 1K, but I decided to check out FTM to see, if I can actually get more funding to this.
And sure enough, I did. Now, Funded Trader Market is a prop firm dedicated to funding traders with extra capital.
Speaking of how I got my 10K account, I had to head over to Funded Trader Market and get their $10,000 instant funded account. And no, I didn't spend $1,000 to get funded $10,000. Instead, I got it for $75.
Now, even when you request for a payout, you're going to be getting it within 24 hours.
Now, FTM are so confident that if you don't get your payout within 24 hours, they're going to pay you double. And also, you don't need to wait for 2 weeks for you to get a payout.
As long as you're following the trading rules and you're done trading for the day,
you can get a payout instantly.
And join the list of other funded traders, which Funded Trader Market has gone out of their way to add in a huge list of trading instruments.
So you do not lack what to trade. Come on, who is that sharing?
I'm currently recording a series with a 50k account, so yeah, do definitely subscribe for that, and also click the link in the description of this video to use FTM. And right there, we just placed in a trade on ADSD buy. So with the whole analysis and strategy, let's see what this makes out. Now, if you notice, my lot size says 0.1. Now, to really prove that this works, I'm really setting a goal of 3%. And yeah, let's see what happens. Now, I was meant to place in one lot size to make it 1% for this trade, but I didn't calculate properly and I placed in 0.1. So that makes it 0.1%. So yeah, anything that happens here is going to be 1% just to clear out.
A few inches later.
right here, this is meant to be 1%. That is, if you use a standard lot, it'll be $100. But guys, look at how much the market moved. Like, honestly, I was surprised in this. I mean, from AI, like, it's crazy.
On this Forex account, oh my god, we're up 1.3% right now. Guys, look at that. We're up 1.3% on this Forex account just with this AI strategy. This is mad.
And here I decided to close the trade. This would have been $120, but yeah, we didn't get the lot size right on this one.
First trade using AI, we've already made 1% of our funded account. Guys, that amount might look small, but if you're trading a funded account and you made that percentage, you know, that's a good amount. I'm trading my own personal account and I saw NZUSD buy. This is the NZUSD buy that I'm taking. I might have shared it on the Telegram.
So by the way, if you're not on the Telegram, I really just share signals for you guys on there. So go ahead, click the link in the description of this video to be part of it.
So first trade with AI, you did well. So let's see. Let's keep this going. Is AI the new way to start trading?
So immediately I kept on checking for positions with my funded trader market account, and then
right now I found another trade which is on Euro JPY. I'm looking to buy Euro JPY. This trade is looking good. I'm not gonna deny that.
But what am I looking at? Now this is the position I'm looking at on EJ. Now if you look right here, price has been below the moving average, showing the downtrend we've been on. But from this area reacting to the supports, we started seeing a change in trend. Now I know it hasn't made the golden cross just yet, but I'm borrowing the knowledge that I already have, and I'm seeing a very strong potential for a buy right here. And yeah, I placed in another 0.1. But did I correct this on time?
Okay, so right now, while I was still waiting, I found another position on GBP.
Yes, the British pounds and the US dollar. Right here, this is exactly how it looks like. And if you notice, it looks very similar to Euro JPY. Other than here, we've already gotten the golden cross. So the plan right now is to buy GBP USD. So right there, we've locked in GU.
So right now, I just noticed that my calculations were off. That trade would have been $120. I didn't do my calculation right. I thought 10%. Like I simply made a mistake.
But anyway, I added in a standard lot to both GBP USD and Euro JPY. But then this started to happen on EJ.
Okay, so yeah, that's what we got using AI. Now, even though AI gives me a strategy, I still have to apply a lot of technical analysis. So if you're looking to do that, just know that you have to apply technical analysis. And yeah, that's it for this video. Now, don't forget to check out Funded Trader Market below in the description of this video. And if you do like this video, hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys very, very soon.